Do you like pizza? I do. My dad brought home an extra large pizza last night. 16 slices with the works. Believe it or not, I ate 5 slices. Can you use a fraction to represent that? You bet. 5/16. See how fractions let us talk about parts of a whole, like a pizza? Do you follow sports? I do. At Saturday's game, Marcus caught 7 of the 12 fly balls in the game. Can you think of a fraction to describe that? Sure, 7/12. See, fractions can also represent parts of a set. Another example would be, if you have 9 balloons and 4 of them are red, 2 of them are green, and 3 of them are blue. You could say 4/9 of the balloons are red, 2/9 are green, and 3/9 are blue. Please notice in this one example, you can visually represent the fractions as balloons, or as fractions, or even as numbers in a table. Let's look at a fraction itself. There are 3 parts to a fraction: a number below the line, another number above the line, and the line that separates or divides them. The number below the line is the denominator. It tells us into how many parts the whole is divided. The number above the line is called the numerator. The numerator tells us how many portions of the whole are being considered. The line that separates or divides the numerator from the denominator is usually called the bar. Fractions can also be used to indicate members of a set, or objects of a group. In this case, the number below the line, the denominator, tells us how many total balloons, or members, there are in the bunch, or set of balloons. The number above the line, the numerator, tells us how many red balloons, or members, we are considering from the entire set. Remember that it is the bar that separates or divides the numerator from the denominator. Using 4/9 of a bunch of balloons and bars as visual aids, you can see how to represent that fraction. 9, the denominator, is below the bar and shows how many balloons there are altogether. Notice that 4, the number above the bar, is the numerator. It shows us how many red balloons there are. Did you notice how often I said the word divides or divided? That's because a fraction is an operation of division. More on this later.